Hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. I show you have in this video. It seems to like you are interested in information about TV cabinets. To TV cabinets also now as that TV stand and entertainment centers and furniture pieces designed to hold television stand related media equipment that come is various of style and sizes and materials of accommodate different performance and uh, rooms of layout. Here are some key points of consider when looking to TV cabinets. First of all, sizes to measures to dimensions of the TV and available space in rooms to where you plan to a place of TV cabinets to ensure the cabinet can be accommodated to your TV comfortably without overcrowding this space. Second part to consider to how much storage space you need to media components such as DVDs, players, game consoles and cable boxes to DVD. Some of the cabinets to come with shelves to drawers and the cabinet for the storing these items. My video part of 3 to style of TV cabinet to some come in various of style to ranking of modern and the minimalistic to the traditional and rustic. Choose the style that complements of overall decor on your home. TV cabinets to made the different materials such as wood and metal glasses and the combination of these materials. Select the material that matches your taste and fits well with other furniture in this room. Video part of 5 to cable management to looking for the TV cabinets with the built-in cable management features to keep right wires and cables organized and out of sight. Mobility if you needed to move your TV to cabinet frequently and consider one the with this while of caster to easy my video part of 7 to set as the budget to your TV cabinets to purchase and look of options within your range. Prices to remember to consider factor that like quality, durability, and the furnitures to when comparing these prices. Once you are the considered these the factors, you can start explorer and the one different options of available the online on the furniture and stores to provide. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.